So, in this video, I'll be talking about a bit about myself, and that will, help you to understand life deeper. Folks, when the life throws, you are put in a situation, difficult situation, circumstances. So, you have two options. One, you can just walk away or lie down, or you can bounce back. So, I'm the second. Person, I believe in the second thing, that you should bounce back. When there are many challenges and you are going through difficult time, that means you are living your life. You are exactly living your life, and it's the time. The time is the time changes, the circumstances changes, but you should know your inner strength, that you can deliver, you can bounce back, and you can realize your full potential. You can unleash yourself, and you that self belief makes you, someone special. We all are born with, we all having special skills. It's just that we don't have the realization that what we possess. So value yourself, love yourself. That is really important. And to be very honest, I'm in a very difficult situation. I'm running short of my essentials, groceries. My salary haven't been credited. I have just 2 rupees left in my bank account, and I have been, the banks and the payment apps are running after me. I am getting back to back calls to repay the one. But still, am I complaining? I'm not complaining. I'm not complaining because I know I am trying to do something, impactful, and I'm capable of transforming many lives, and have a healthy impact on the entire human life. So that is the possibility that you possess, and that I haven't made anything something significant or what. I'm not a celebrity, I'm not anything, I'm just not nothing, but still I know I have that potential to to excel, to to uh, to put in some, to do something special in this life and enjoy life. So don't complain, action speaks. Your mere words, and it won't help. Discipline is the key to success. If motivation, enthusiasm, everything is fine, but they after some point of time they dies down. If you aren't loving and you aren't disciplined, then you are not, you are, you won't be successful. And learn from your failures. Don't be afraid of, or have a fear that I'll fail, what I'll do, what people will think about me, and everything. People will judge you, the world will judge you, but how you see yourself, that is important. How you should have that self respect. So this video is for you young bright students. You should understand the practical, how the life is. Life at the same time is very complex, but when you simplify your mind and your mindset, you have you have a positive mindset, then everything will fall into place, and you will be, you can relish, and you can really realize your dream. So I just want to say one final thing, that have that self belief, and no matter what the world is, they are putting judgment on you. You should know yourself better. You should have that self belief, and that's it. And definitely you'll be, you'll definitely going to do something remarkable, significant, that will really be impactful. Thank you so much for hearing me out. Thank you so much, folks.